Good morning, students. Today we are going to do revision of chapter 5, that is Panchayati Raj, from your civics book. So let's begin with the reading of the chapter and then we will note down the main terminology which we will understand during reading this chapter. So to begin with, the chapter starts with a village and everybody in that village was rushing to the Gram Sabha. Why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of new Gram Panchayat. So here you come across two terminologies, what is Gram Sabha and what is Gram Panchayat. Let's first take up Gram Sabha. We understand what is Gram Sabha. As you all know that Gram is like a Hindi word for village and Sabha means meeting. So Gram Sabha जो गांव के लोगों की मीटिंग हो रही है, let's understand what is this. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. यानी कि किसी भी एक पंचायत के द्वारा जो एरिया आता है और उसके अंदर जितने भी एडल्ट होते हैं. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय एडल्ट? एनीवन हु इज 18 years old or more and who has the right to vote is a member of ग्राम सभा. जितने भी एडल्ट्स मतलब जितने भी 18 years के मेंबर्स हैं उस विलेज के, 18 एंड अबव, वो सब मेंबर्स होते हैं आपके ग्राम सभा के और उनको राइट होता है कि वो वोट कर सकें अपने ग्राम पंचायत के इलेक्शंस के लिए. एक पंचायत के अंदर एक विलेज भी हो सकती है और एक से ज़्यादा विलेजेस, कुछ विलेजेस हो सकती हैं. The people of Hardas village are keen to find out what their new panchayat leaders have planned for the village. यहाँ से आपको ये भी this is understood that panchayat leaders plan for the village. That means they plan for the welfare of the village. Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat president, who is also called the Sarpanch. Please underline this line that the Panchayat president is known as Sarpanch in Hindi. And the member of the Panchayat are known as the Panch. तो एक जो ग्राम पंचायत होती है उसके अंदर आपके पंच होते हैं और उन पंचों का एक हेड भी होता है जिसको सरपंच बोला जाता है. So in this meeting, they were going to present a plan on repairing the roads that connects the village to the main highway. After this, the discussion moved to the subject of water and water shortage. तो यानी कि discussion का point क्या है ग्राम सभा का, सब लोग मिलके क्या decide करने वाले हैं? They are going to discuss about the problems they are facing in the village, as well as they are going to plan about the development of their village. So every village panchayat is divided into wards, यानी कि smaller areas में divided होती है for better management. Each ward elects a representative which is known as ward member, जिनको हम पंच बोलते हैं. जैसे cities में हम कर देते हैं wards के अंदर, उसी तरह हम villages में भी smaller wards के अंदर जो है एक village को डिवाइड करते हैं और हर जो एरिया है वहाँ से एक वार्ड मेंबर या पंच जो होता है वो इलेक्ट किया जाता है. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch, who is the Panchayat president. The ward Panch and Sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. तो दो जो टर्मिनोलॉजी इस चैप्टर में यूज़ की गई जो आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करने की ज़रूरत है, दैट इज़ ग्राम सभा. एंड नाउ वी हैव स्टार्टेड ग्राम पंचायत. सो व्हाट इज़ ग्राम पंचायत? ग्राम पंचायत इज़ अ like group of panch and sarpanch. So what is a panch? Panch is the elected representative from a ward in a village, and the head of or the president of this association is sarpanch. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. कितने years के लिए elected होती है? It is elected for 5 years. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. यानी कि एक ऐसी पोस्ट भी है जिसको हम सेक्रेटरी बोलते हैं और वो ग्राम पंचायत के लिए भी वर्क करता है और ग्राम सभा की जितनी मीटिंग्स होती हैं उसमें भी वो सेक्रेटरी का रोल जो है वो वो सेक्रेटरी का रोल उसके अंदर प्ले करता है. दिस person is not an elected person but is appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceeding. तो जितना भी गांव के अंदर वर्क हो रहा है उसको एक जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल जो उसके ऊपर आय रखता है, दैट इज द सेक्रेटरी. A village called Tijia a villager called Tijia begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. यानी कि पानी की बहुत समस्या थी उस गांव में. The hand pump water has gone well below the point to which the ground has been drilled. We hardly get any water in the taps. Women have to go to the Suru river which is 3 kilometers away to get water. कहाँ जाते थे हरिदास विलेज की women? Where do they go to fetch water? They have to go to the village Suru which is 3 kilometers are. Like they have to cover daily 6 kilometers on foot to get or fetch water, drinking water or water. So life has been very difficult for them because आप एक condition सोचिए, whenever you open the tap the water is available there, and on the other hand every morning or evening you have to walk 6 kilometers and then you have to fetch the water. So you can understand what was the difficulty for the villagers of Hardas because of the lack of water. One of the members suggests piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. But the other thing that this will be expensive. It's better, they feel, to deepen the hand pumps and clean the wells for this season. Tijia says this is not enough. We need to do something more permanent as groundwater level seems to be going down every year. We are using more water than is seeping into the ground. Another member, Anwar, then tells everyone that he has seen ways of conserving water and recharging or refilling it in a village in Maharashtra where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called watershed development and he has heard the government gave money for this work. So the villager, according to their knowledge, are suggesting various ways to come over this problem of water in their village, and Anwar introduced a new way, a very unique way of watershed development, and he updated the villagers that the government provide funds for doing this thing and this is a permanent kind of solution. He told them that in his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find out about it in detail. So what idea we are getting over here, that Gram Panchayat is responsible for the development of a village. That's why this Gram Panchayat has been elected by the people for 5 years. Right? The next item on the agenda for the Gram Sabha is the finalization of the list of the people below the poverty line. What is BPL? It is below the poverty line. What do you understand by BPL? BPL क्या होता है? BPL means the people who are not even having 2 or 3 time meals a day are like considered people below the poverty line, and government is doing many great things for the upliftment of these people, and the Gram Panchayat have a responsibility to take care of these people. तो एक लिस्ट जो थी वो बननी थी ग्राम सभा को, उसके बारे में भी डिसाइड करना था. एज सून एज द लिस्ट इज रेड आउट, पीपल बिगिन टू विस्पर, Natwar has just brought a color TV. What we are saying, that people who can't even have 3 times meal in a day should be placed under the BPL. And here in the list of this village, somebody's name, Natwar's name was announced, and this Natwar is having, he has purchased a color TV. That means he was having ample money. If he can purchase an item of entertainment, no doubt he has money to feed his family 3 times a day. So the people were like having objection why his name is being in this list, and his son has sent him a new motorcycle. So this here come people are discussing ki why, how he can be below the poverty line. Surajmal mutters to the people sitting next to him. Saroj says to Sukhi, Bhai, how did Birju's name get on the list? He has so much land. This list should have only poor people. So BPL, this below poverty line, obviously it is for the people who are very very poor. So in this only the name of the poor people should be there. How come this list was having the name of the people who are having color TV, lot of land, motorcycle? So this was something wrong, and the people of the village were discussing that this list has been manipulated and it should, these names should not be there. And Om Prakash is a landless laborer who can barely make ends meet, yet his name is not on the list. You know that both Natwar and Birju are friends of Amir Chand. Who can counter Amir Chand's power? Sukhibai says, Amir Chand was the earlier zamindar of the village and still has control over a lot of land. But we should get Om Prakash name put in. So people क्या कह रहे हैं, ठीक है हम जो गलत हो रहा है उसमें कुछ तो हम वो कुछ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि जो जिसको बेचारे को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है उसका नाम हम इंक्लूड कर देते हैं. रेस्ट देवर सेइंग कि लीव, वो तो उसके फ्रेंड है तो आमिर चंद के, हु इज़ अ वेरी पावरफुल person in the village, so let it be, let their name be in the list, but we should do justice to Om Prakash, who is a landless laborer and who really need the help from the government. So and the sarpanch, the president panchayat president notices people whispering and asks if anyone has anything to say. Saroj tries to provoke Surajmal to ask about Natwar and Birju, but he keeps quiet. Amir Chand is sitting in the Gram Sabha, keeping an eye on everyone. Then Saroj gets up and says that Om Prakash's name should be in the BPL list. Other agree that he and his family are very poor. The Sarpanch asks how his name has been missed out. The person who did the survey of BPL family says Om Prakash's house was locked when I went there. He may have gone somewhere to look for work. The Sarpanch gives instruction that Om Prakash family income be looked at, and if it is less than what has been decided by the government, his name should be included in the list. So you see how this BPL list is being prepared, that the people this responsibility is like given on someone in the village, and he has to check about the income sources of the person, and if he finds that the income of the family is below the standard salary or standard income for a family for per day, if it is below that, then he or she must be included in the BPL list. But then it is very much evident in this chapter that manipulations do happen in this list just to get favor from the policies which the government is providing for these people, just to get the benefit of those policy. People with power, with the they are manipulating the list. They are including the name of the people who don't deserve this facility. So ill practices are there. This is what we are means understanding after reading this thing. Okay, so let's just read the dialogue box also. So it says the Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. Here we are seeing that the members of the Gram Sabha, they were discussing and they were updating and they were bringing up the points which they think should be there. And the Sarpanch, the Panchayat president, has taken action according to that. It is the place where all plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. The Gram Sabha prevents the Panchayat from doing wrong things like misusing money or favoring certain people. लेकिन आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर हमने क्या पढ़ा है कि प्रेशर के कारण जो है लोगों ने अपोज नहीं किया था, मिसयूज़ हो रहा था मनी का जो कि पीपीएल वाले लोगों के लिए, लेकिन उसका बेनिफिट नेटवर्क जैसे लोग जो थे वो उठा रहे थे. यहाँ पर ग्राम सभा की गलती थी, उन्होंने डर से या किसी भी प्रेशर में आके इस चीज़ को अपोज नहीं किया. दे सेलेक्टेड टू कीप मम. that is bad because they are not fulfilling their role. As Gram Sabha plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representative and in making them responsible to the person who elected them. So after Gram Sabha, let's move on to Gram Panchayat. Let's see in detail what are the duties and jobs of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat meets regularly, and one of its main tasks is to implement development programs for the village that comes under it. So, very important line. As you have seen, the work of the Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. और ग्राम सभा से उसको अपनी जो plans होते हैं उसको discuss भी करना होता है उनके सामने और उनसे approve भी करना होता है. In some states, Gram Sabhas form committees like construction and development committees. These committees include some member of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat who work together to carry out specific tasks. मिल के development करते हैं ग्राम सभा और ग्राम पंचायत के members जो हैं for the development and upliftment of the village. So, let's see precisely the work of a Gram Panchayat includes the construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school building and other common property resources, levying and collecting local taxes, executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. So these are the work which a Gram Panchayat need to do. And what are the sources of fund for the Gram Panchayat? Collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, government scheme, funds received through various department of the government, through the Janpad and Jila Panchayats, and donation from the community work. So these are the sources of fund for the Panchayat. Let us see what the Hardas Gram Panchayat was able to do. Do you remember the option that were suggested to solve the water problem in the Gram Sabha of Hardas village? उस मीटिंग में क्या डिसाइड हुआ था? This meeting was attended by the Sarpanch, ward members, people of the village and the secretary. So Gram Panchayat members first discussed the suggestion to deepen 2 hand pumps and clean 1 well so that the village would not go without water. The Sarpanch, पंचायत president जो थे उन्होंने suggest किया कि पंचायत को कुछ मनी मिली हुई है हैंड पम्प्स को मेंटेन करने के लिए. दिस कुड बी यूज्ड फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द वर्क. द मेंबर्स एग्री किया उसको और सेक्रेटरी ने जो उनका डिसीजन था वो सारा रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. द मेंबर्स देन वेंट ऑन टू डिस्कस द ऑप्शन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म सोल्यूशन. ये तो वो इमीडिएट सोल्यूशन या शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्यूशन निकला था वेल्स को क्लीन करने का और हैंड पम्प्स को डीपन करने का. नाउ दे वर टॉकिंग व्हाट अनवर हैज सजेस्टेड देम. So they were sure that the Gram Sabha member would ask question at the next meeting. तो ये जो ग्राम पंचायत के जो ग्राम पंचायत है वो आपस में सरपंच, सेक्रेटरी और पंच जो हैं वो डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि अगली बार जब ग्राम सभा होगी तो लोग वाटरशेड प्रोग्राम के बारे में बोलेंगे तो उनको इसके बारे में भी जो है डिसीजन लेना है. और एंड में वो डिसाइड करते हैं दैट दे विल अप्रोच द ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर एंड गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन द स्कीम. So now you understand that there are 3 levels of panchayat. After reading about what happened in the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat in Hardas village, you can understand that the Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people participate in their own government. In rural areas के अंदर the Gram Panchayat is first tier or level of democratic government. The Panch and the Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha because it is the members of the Gram Sabha who elected them. The idea of people's participation in the Gram Panchayati Raj system extend to 2 other levels. One is block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti, or the Panchayat Samitis has many Gram Panchayat under it. And above Gram Samiti, so this Panchayat Samiti is the district Panchayat or the Jila Parishad. तो आपको बॉन्ड समझ आ रहा है. जिला परिषद के अंदर जो है आपका पंचायत समिति और पंचायत समिति के अंदर आपकी जो है ग्राम पंचायत. The Jila Parishad actually makes development plans at the district level. With the help of Panchayat Samiti, it also regulates the money distribution among the Gram Panchayat. Within the guideline given in the constitution, each state in country has its own laws with regard to panchayats. The idea is to provide more and more space for people to participate and raise their voices. अब देख लो decentralization हो रहा है. Power का क्या हो रहा है? डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन हो रहा है पावर का. किस लिए? ताकि जो लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन करने का मौका मिले. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ सेंटर अथॉरिटी अमंग अ लोकल यूनिट क्लोज टू द एरिया सर्व्ड, यानी डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ पावर हो रहा है. इसीलिए पंचायती राज जो है वो आपका पिक्चर में आ रहा है. राइट. सो मेन फीचर किसी भी स्टेट का, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है पंचायत बनाने का? डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन हो जाए पावर का एंड प्लस डेवलपमेंट हो जाए विलेजेस की. So these are the some highlighted points which you need to remember. The Gram Sabha is the meeting of all adults, right? And in a Gram Sabha, there can be one village or a few villages. All the people who are 18 years old or more can have the right to vote in the Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. It is the place where all plan for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people, and people place their views and opinion on such plans. Then Gram Panchayat meets regularly. Main task is to implement development programs for all village that comes under it, and its work has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. Then about the elections, every village panchayat is divided into wards. Each ward elect a representative, he who is known as ward member or panch. All the member of the Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch, who is called panchayat president. The ward panch and sarpanch from the Gram Panchayat, and the Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. Then the Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of Gram Sabha. He is not an elected person but is appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. He also keeps a record of the proceeding. So this was all what we were supposed to revise in this chapter. We are through with this chapter, and be ready with all the doubts you have. We will discuss them in the doubt class, and moreover I will be prepared. I will be asking you short questions from this chapter. So that's all for this video. Bye for now.